Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of gardening to bring you the best products to enhance your outdoor spaces. Today, we have something truly special for you: the best Muscari bulbs you can find on the market, specifically the Garden State Bulb Muscari Delft Blue Mix Grape Hyacinth flower bulbs. These exquisite bulbs are not just any ordinary flower bulbs. They're an essential addition for any garden enthusiast looking to create a vibrant and fragrant spring display. Sourced from the renowned growers in the Netherlands, these bulbs are known for their exceptional quality and robust performance. The Garden State Bulb Muscari Delft Blue Mix features bulbs that measure between 8 to 9 centimeters in circumference, which means they're well-sized for planting. You'll receive a generous bag of 100 bulbs, perfect for filling your garden beds, borders, or even pots. Imagine your garden bursting with clusters of delightful, bell-shaped flowers that resemble little grapes, adding a touch of whimsy and charm. These beauties bloom in mid-spring, creating a stunning display of blue flowers that are sure to catch the eye of anyone passing by. What makes these bulbs particularly appealing is their hardiness. They thrive in hardiness zones 3 to 9, making them suitable for a wide range of climates. Whether you have full sun or partial shade in your garden, these Muscari bulbs adapt beautifully, ensuring you enjoy their vibrant blooms come springtime. Planting is simple and rewarding. For best results, plant these bulbs in the fall, right before the first hard frost. Choose a well-drained spot in your garden, and dig a hole about 3 to 4 inches deep. Place the bulbs pointy side up, spacing them about 1 to 2 inches apart. After covering them with soil, give them a good watering to help settle the soil around the bulbs. Another fantastic feature of these Muscari bulbs is their ability to attract pollinators. With their fragrant blooms, they invite bees and butterflies, turning your garden into a lively ecosystem. Plus, they are deer and rabbit resistant, which means you can enjoy their beauty without worrying about wildlife munching on them. These bulbs also boast drought tolerance, making them a sustainable choice for gardeners looking to reduce water usage. Their hardy nature ensures they thrive even in less than ideal conditions, providing you with a reliable burst of color each year. In summary, if you're looking for the best Muscari bulbs for your garden, the Garden State Bulb Muscari Delft Blue Mix Grape Hyacinth flower bulbs are an excellent choice. They are easy to grow, stunningly beautiful, and incredibly beneficial for your garden's ecosystem. To get your hands on these amazing bulbs, check out the link in the description below. Plant them this fall and enjoy a spectacular spring display that will not only brighten your garden but also uplift your spirits. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and product reviews. Happy gardening, and see you next time.